Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my mountain bike setup. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we have my bike at first. So I got a Trek, got the Fuel EX9. I've got a line dropper post. And then for my suspension, my back suspension, I've got the Fox floated, yeah, and then for my front suspension I got a Fox 32, and then my handlebars I have Rager, can't pronounce it, sorry. I have the Rager, quite a few scratches from my falls and stuff. And then for my brakes I have Shimano. Yeah, really good. They're strong, good, powerful, really good for endos and stuff. Okay. And then here, if we go down here to my tires, I have specialized tires. And then for my rims, I have the Rager. And then I ride a 27.5. Don't know if you can, 27.5 right there. Okay, let's now go over to my pedals here. Okay, so I ride specialized pedals. Don't ride clipless, but I have the little studs. Okay, and for my cranks, guys, I have the SRAM. Yeah, I don't have the amazing ones, but yeah, they're still good. Okay, now let's go over to my protection. Okay, so for my full face, for my helmets, I use my full face Fox V1, 100% goggles, and then it's a medium sized. Really suggest getting it. Okay, to protect my body now. Okay, now we go over to my chest plate. Elite, yeah, size small, 1.5. Yeah, it's really good. Have scratches on the bottom. Yeah, had fall and then at Delta. Now for my other helmet, this is the one that I use most because my full face I use for biggest jumps. I have quite a few dents on this. Yeah, it's Mips. Yeah, it's a really nice one. Yeah, it's a really nice helmet, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this. Okay, guys, bye.